Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with MyCrowd step by step clearly. To invest with MyCrowd, first, visit the MyCrowd website. Create an account by clicking the Sign Up button. Fill in the requested information including your name, email, and password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new MyCrowd account. Complete your profile by providing any additional personal and financial information required. Familiarize yourself with the platform by exploring the different investment opportunities available. Review the educational resources offered by MyCrowd to enhance your understanding of investing. Select the investment project that interests you the most. Read through the project details, including financial projections and risks. Determine the amount you wish to invest in that project. Proceed to the investment page and enter your desired investment amount. Review the terms and conditions associated with your investment. Click on the Confirm button to finalize your investment. Complete any required payment method setup if prompted. Monitor your investments regularly through your MyCrowd dashboard. Stay informed about updates and reports related to your investment projects. Engage with the MyCrowd community to learn more and share insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.